Bills. Everyone wants money. Ah, need that. Damn it.
Dear Jim and Dan, how are you? We will crush you. Love, Chase and Christian.
Hello.
Daniel, you ain't gonna believe. I got a note from that Christian Craig, Chase and Christian.
Uncle Jimbo, calm down.
They said they're gonna crush us.
You're the 1985 World Supercross champ. I'm a Lights West Arena Cross champion. We're the SXperts. We're good. Relax.
We need to talk.
Okay, bye. Grace! Ah, those are old. Get new ones. They're older than Chad Reed. Time to start training.
This is, yeah. It's gonna look good right there.
He's getting ready, he's dusting trophies.
Hello?
Christian, hey, I'm at Jim's house right now. Yeah, Jim Hawley. Don't worry about how I got here. Dude, he's dusting trophies, making a spot for the trophy for fantasy next year.
We do need to start training. Let's get it. Okay, I'll meet you there. Late.
Justin Barsha on the podium, stamp it. You know Ken Roxon's gonna win. I got 94 for the W. Blake Baggett, duh. Haven't you been doing your homework?
They just announced your second place rider is not going to line up for the main event. You have 2 minutes till the night show. Go.
Got it.
9.6 seconds. Good job. Who'd you pick?
Jason Anderson. Oh.
No, you didn't. You picked James
They're
Stewart.
right next to each other. You can't. Let's try it one more time.
One more.
Jason, I know you're not gonna like this, man, but I need you to do me a favor. Come January 5th, Anaheim, 2019, I need you to get second, all right? I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I owe you one, El Hombre. All right, man. All right. Love you too, buddy. Bye.
Nope, nope, too soon, too much, too much.
Check these ones out.
No, what? I say maybe.
Bam.
Whoa. Yeah, that's the one.
SXperts never lose. Can't wait for that dinner in Vegas. Protein, steak, potatoes, winners.
Here you go, Eli. There you go, buddy. I didn't forget you, Marvin. All right? Need you to perform now, Marvin. There you go, Kristen. Come on, buddy. I need you to eat it, Kristen. It's good for you. It's healthy. No more donuts for you.
Can you believe Jim and Daniel think they're gonna win this year? Idiots.
They're out of their minds.
They don't have a chance.
Tell me to stop eating donuts. That's what I do.
Yeah, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Right after the Vegas Supercross? Great. What's your most expensive dish? $800. That'll be perfect. Yeah, put that under Chase and Christian's name.
Jim and Daniel going down.